Hi, I'm Craig with PoolTree, and today we're going to show you what comes with the PoolTree system. So on our website you can order it with just the system itself if you're going to use your existing cover, or we also sell them as a package with a recommended mesh cover. That's how they work best, and the cover and the system are discounted when you buy them together on our website. This year we also are introducing an oversized ball option for extra large pools, 30 feet and bigger, 30-foot rounds, 33-foot rounds, 18 by 33 ovals. You can choose an oversized ball upgrade option. So when you get your system only, it comes in a box like this, nice and compact. And when you open it up, this is your ball. You want to make sure when you unpack this, there's small plugs in here that are hard to see sometimes. They look like a golf tee and they're white, so make sure you don't lose the plugs when you open up the ball. This is the harness for the ball. It has grommets and holds the ball and attaches the ropes, and that's what holds it in the center of the pool. Then you have your ropes. These connect the ball harness to the bungee connectors. Those are adjustable. You may find that you have too much rope by the end by the time you get everything adjusted, but you can just, they're adjustable for every size pool. You just cut the extra length off when you're done. These are the patented bungee connectors, and these connect the ropes to the red straps, and these are what allow expansion when you get weight on the cover of snow, ice, rain. These allow the whole system to sink down into the pool, which saves pressure on your pool. So also how you adjust the ropes, you need to make sure these are nice and snug and taut when you install it, and that's what helps keep the cover up out of the water, and also allows for the whole system to move up and down under weight. These are the red straps. These go around the uprights of the pool and connect to the end of the bungee connector, and that's what actually attaches the system to the pool. We have another YouTube video you can check out if you're curious. We get a lot of questions about how these attach to the pool. Check out our other YouTube video or subscribe to our channel to see that. You have an air pump here. This is for blowing up the ball. If you don't have any other options, we prefer to use a compressor. It's a lot faster with a compressor. You could also use an electric pump for an air mattress, a foot pump, any kind of pump, bicycle tire pump. But in case you have no way to blow up the ball, it comes with a pump. This extra long zip tie, we call this our strap installer. This is how you snake these red straps behind the uprights of the pool. Again, refer to that video for more detail on that. You have your instruction sheet here. I recommend to read through this completely before you start. It will save you a lot of time if you read through the whole instruction sheet before you start assembling it. And we have this alligator clip here. This helps you adjust the ropes when you're sliding the ropes through the end of the bungee connector. Every pool is a different size, so this small clip helps you hold the rope and tie the knot while you're adjusting, making the final adjustments for the ropes and the bungees. So check out our other YouTube videos. We will be posting one about how to assemble the whole system from start to finish and put it on the pool. Subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos.